are not just celebrating creativity, we are honoring stories that inspire, messages that uplift, and campaigns that remind us of the values that make us who we are as Filipinos. When it reflects the values we hold dear: love of God, truth, honesty, dignity, respect for law, and care for the environment. These are the very values that our Values Awards have championed for years.
Your stories matter. No matter what your size is, you add richness to the conversation of values.
To all our nominees and awardees, you are proof that advertising is more than just selling a product. It is about shaping minds and making a lasting impact on our society. Congratulations on your well-deserved recognition.